To conquer the shifting wilderness, the UAE launched a $1.2 billion infrastructure project in 60-degree desert heat. The primary antagonist is the terrain itself, where 10-story sand dunes continuously shift to bury traditional railway structures. This mega overland transit link crosses a hostile desert corridor comparable to Los Angeles and San Francisco. Military-grade satellites and autonomous LiDAR drones map the hidden bedrock before heavy construction machinery arrives. To forge a path through this geological nightmare, mechanical warfare begins against millions of tons of unstable shifting sand. The engineering problem is brutal. Loose sand dunes lack load-bearing capacity and constantly threaten the railway alignment. Mechanical clearing must continue before unpredictable desert winds erase hours of heavy grading across the prepared route. Mechanical dominance transforms chaotic shifting dunes into a stabilized, leveled platform ready for foundation construction. Beneath the leveled surface lie hidden subgrade air pockets ready to liquefy beneath heavy freight trains. Heavy-duty vibro sand compaction rigs deploy to eliminate this dangerous geological threat beneath the railway. Massive steel probes drive 20 meters deep, transforming the unstable desert subgrade through brute mechanical force. High-frequency shock waves force loose sand grains into a dense, impenetrable structural foundation matrix. High-pressure chemical polymers permanently fuse the compacted subgrade into durable synthetic bedrock. The completed foundation forms an unyielding platform capable of supporting millions of tons without underground movement. Even a solid foundation disappears beneath relentless, high-velocity desert sand drifts without permanent protection. Heavy hydraulic post drivers hammer deep steel armor around the railway corridor perimeter. A multi-layered defense anchors massive steel H-beams against powerful desert crosswinds and shifting sand.
Keep going, just a little more.
Okay, releasing the pressure now. Looks good.
Mechanical spoolers stretch high-tensile geotextile mats, creating a durable shield against constant desert erosion. Heavy structural screens break moving dunes, forming a permanent aerodynamic defense along the railway corridor. Placing ballast directly on desert sand allows freight train vibrations to destroy track geometry. A precisely graded crushed stone layer prevents contamination between ballast and unstable desert sand. Heavy aggregate spreaders distribute crushed stone evenly across the protected railway corridor. Industrial vibratory rollers eliminate trapped air using powerful, high-frequency mechanical vibration. Maximum dry density creates a solid foundation ready for automated railway track installation. A 200-meter automated track-laying train installs up to 3 kilometers of railway every day. The rolling factory transforms prepared sub-ballast into a precise structural railway grid. High-speed gantries continuously feed concrete sleepers beneath the moving track-laying assembly. Robotic arms guide continuous steel rails onto integrated sleeper shoulders with precise alignment. Every component is installed in perfect sequence under rigid structural tolerances despite extreme desert heat. Hydraulic clamping systems lock heavy iron fasteners firmly into their permanent positions. Mechanical synchronization leaves behind a perfectly laid railway, cutting through the shifting desert wilderness. Conventional rail joints expand in 60-degree desert heat, causing dangerous track buckling beneath heavy freight trains. Continuous welded rail eliminates mechanical joints, removing the railway's greatest thermal weakness. Flash butt welding rigs fuse steel rails using immense hydraulic pressure and powerful electrical current. Thermite welding creates complex rail connections through an intense high-temperature chemical reaction. Temperatures above 2,000 degrees Celsius produce molten steel that fills specialized thermite molds. Ground smooth to sub-millimeter precision, every welded joint disappears into one continuous steel rail. A seamless steel rail remains unstable until securely locked into densely compacted granite ballast. Even millimeter-sized track deviations can trigger dangerous derailments beneath heavily loaded freight trains. Ballast hopper trains dump thousands of tons of crushed granite to stabilize the entire railway track. Continuous action tamping machines immediately stabilize the newly distributed granite ballast beneath every sleeper. Heavy tamping tines vibrate deep into the granite, locking every stone tightly beneath the concrete sleepers. Laser-guided alignment locks the entire railway into precise, rigid, and permanently stable track geometry. The railway enters the autonomous era as a digital control network expands across the vast desert. Powerful desert sandstorms disrupt conventional communications and threaten traditional power distribution systems. Heavy cranes install autonomous signal masts alongside independent solar-powered control substations. Armored fiber optic cables establish a secure underground data network beneath the entire desert corridor. Autonomous solar microgrids provide continuous railway control without relying on external power infrastructure. Final commissioning deploys an AI network, providing complete visibility across the entire desert railway. Unmanned inspection trains scan continuous welded rails with millions of laser measurements every second. Real-time telemetry builds a digital twin that instantly detects microscopic track variations. Predictive AI monitors structural movement and sand buildup before problems can affect railway operations. Mechanical engineering and artificial intelligence complete a railway that permanently withstands the shifting desert.